freebies for free. Let's start off with Garnier. I've tried Garnier through Pinch Me, milk, rice, cream extract. It is new. So I got that, and all the way at the bottom, let's go down. It tells you it's available at Walmart. This is a keychain, a survival keychain. And right here, you clamp on to your pants or whatever. And over here is a tool to take out a little screw, bottle opener, a little scaler right here, and it's a keychain. So this is really cute. Makeup eraser sample. I saw this on one of my honeybees, which is my subscriber, video, and I was wondering how good it is to take off makeup. So we're gonna see in a few minutes how good this really is. Okay, I want to show you the cloth. This is the cloth right here, and this is the love test. Okay. The sample, I think the sample they could have made a little bigger. I have friends that rub. I don't think it's nice, but it's their life. And they rub tobacco. So when I get samples or whatever, or coupons, I give it to them. And so what they do is when they get their free gift, they give it to me. Or they sign me up for their free gift. Okay. This is a flashlight. It also came with a battery. Wow. And what else is in here? And a strap. Cool. I like this up so you can see how. Flashlight from Copenhagen. It's solid metal, as you can hear. It zooms in and zooms out. It's called a mini tackle light. And it's flashing. Then I hit it, and then it's steady. I can zoom in to look at something really specific, or I can zoom out to make it wide. This is cool. It also comes with a strap, and it already has a clip right here to clip in your pocket. And this is definitely for me for camping. And this, I didn't know what it was, so I took open the package. It was all ripped up. And I was like, what is this? And this is a recorder, a video recorder. Let's take a look at it. It's a handheld video recorder. It's called Slick. It does 4 times digital zoom, built-in LED light, color display. It uses a SD memory card. And let's see how it looks. It's got a button on the top for recording. It's got a slide right in front if you want a zoom in or a zoom out. It has a side right here that takes 3 AAA batteries. It's got a little pouch that you can open it up and put your hand in. It's got little lights here. And of this, there's a hole to be put on a tripod. It also came with a SD card. Wow. That is cool. It came with its own SD card. Most stuff don't. It's a 2 gigabyte. Don't know how good it filmed though. We have to see about this. Oh, you're kidding me. It opens up so you can see yourself when you film. Wow. And it's plastic, but it has a little screen here, right here, and it has a mode setting. It also has a power on and off. On the back has an AV outlet and a USB outlet. And I'm going to show you that up close. Right here in the back. Has the AV and the USB outlet. This is so cute. But I am going to film with this, and then I'm going to come back and let you know how this little camera really worked. Because this could be something a little quick and cute to film something on. This is great. This came from a site, and I'm going to leave the link down below. You know how they say, yo, you want to try something and you can have it for free. Fill out the survey. I filled out the survey. Don't really know what company it was. I just know the survey company. And this is what I got. This is really cool. I got to try this little gadget. So I may end up doing a video on this right here. We'll put this aside. So that's this. Last but not least, I got this package. And this is a 3-piece water-resistant travel organizer drawstring bag. Oh, that's cute. And this says, off to see the world. Explore, dream, and discover. Go, went, gone. This is the bag. Oh, this is a pretty color. By Go, Went, Gone. Clothing. Explore, dream, and discover. So I got this bag. Has a nice thick rope. Nice, good, thick drawstring rope. On both sides. Oh, that is cool. It's like water material. So this be good to put maybe wet clothes or something in. That's cool. This one says underwear and socks. So this is clothing, short, skirt, and t-shirt. This is underwear and socks. And then this one is toiletries, and it's got the picture of that too. This is awesome. Okay, I want to show you something else that I got. Red Steel is proudly veteran owned and operated. And I'm going to leave their link, and they design gorgeous stuff with steel. I live in the Steel Valley, and this is what they designed for me, and I have to show you. It's for my dog, and I can have it monogram or whatever. Isn't this cute? And I will leave their information in the link below. They do all kinds of stuff made out of steel, pretty stuff. And if anybody want to order something from them, I will hit me up in the comments, and I'll give you my 20% off code. Okay. Freebie for your doggy. Slick. That I'm going to try. Hopefully do a video. Stay tuned for this little tech. Throw your likes up if you like this video. Slap that subscribe button. It's over here somewhere.